So welcome to the channel. I thought I'd take you guys along with me as I do my hair. So I've shampooed it. I've used my, because when you gray, you have to be careful of the products you put in your hair because they will make your gray look yellow. So I use, I call it the purple shampoo. So this is shampoo and the conditioner is purple as well. Purple counteracts yellow in your gray. So we're just going to, because I've had some damage to my hair is the reason why I cut my hair in the first place, you guys. Something was put in my hair that made it start coming out, so I cut it. So this here is a leave-in conditioner. It's actually Infusium. I love Infusium. I've been using it since beauty school, and it's been a long time. So I like to put that in there, massage it in real good, and I'm going to use my Apogee Style Mousse. All these products like this makes my hair, it tends to make my hair look dry, which my hair is dry naturally anyway. So then I have to follow back behind it with some oil. So I thought that was going to be drippy, so it's not, so we'll take that off. So basically all I'm going to do is mold it, and then we're going to get it into the dryer. Yeah, I'm just gelling down. And when you have gray hair, you need clear gel, okay? Because if you try to put the dark brown gel on it, it is not gonna look good. I'm not sure I'm gonna style it like, because I don't always wear it up. Sometimes I wear it down. I think I'm gonna just bring it all to the front. Not all, but quite a bit. You need a little help because you want to stand up and I don't want you to. Okay. I think I'm gonna just do that one. As long as I get that down. See how that's popping out? But it's okay because we ain't gonna worry about it. So now it's straight. Okay, you guys, so my hair is dry. It feels dry. Let's take this off. And I am about to flat iron it, but I need to clean my irons. So I plug them up and get ready to unplug them. It's because you want them to be hot. So I plug them up. We're gonna turn it off and we're gonna wait for about 5 minutes. And then I'll be back to show you the rest. Because you don't want stinky hair. You know, the oils and stuff that we put in our hair, then your iron starts stinking, and anyway. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. Here's my irons. I think these are, I don't remember. I was going to tell you why they are, but I don't remember. I'm using the towel that I had around my neck because I really didn't use it. And I'm using some alcohol, so you want to do this while your irons are hot. So I'm going to squirt a little alcohol on here on my towel, and then I'm just going to clean gonna clean the plates and try to get the sides, because let me see if you can see that side. Can you see that? That build up on there. So we want to clean that real good. See, look. Clean the outside as well. I'm trying to make sure I got the crevices good. Okay. So we're gonna let that dry thoroughly, and then we will flat iron our hair. So see you in a minute. Because I'm listening to some music, I'm gonna do this voiceover, but I'm showing you where I am starting to flat iron my hair. Guys, so this is my hair. Yes, it's nice, freshly washed and styled. So yes, this is how I style my hair sometimes. You know, sometimes I wear it up high because sometimes you need to be high. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for chitting and chatting with me while I do my hair. So you know what I love to say. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.